There are tropical rainforests located in South America, Africa, and southern parts of Asia. The annual precipitation amount is 157.51 inches a year. The annual temperature in the day is 93 degrees Fahrenheit, and the night time is a cool 68 degrees. Some things to pack if you are going there are jungle boots, bottled water, and binoculars. Something to do in the rainforest are hiking, swimming, and exploring. The red-eyed tree frog, the boa constrictor, and the toucan are some animals that live in the rainforest. One adaptation for the red-eyed tree frog is the brightly colored eyes to startle predators. 3 plants that live there are lianas, bromeliads, and orchids. One adaptation for the orchid is it releases pheromones to have bees pollinate them. Deforestation is a major threat to the rainforest.